Racing just started Ninang Mill. Break quick, clear start. Lucky Lorky worth the wait. Moving apart the outside. Now is Majestic Queen. Diamond Luster comes next. Diamond Lover. Then comes Dr. Jaden. Panamera, Angel Dugo, while Ilocos Magic is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Majestic Queen by about 4 lengths. Diamond Luster in second. Worth the wait is running by the rail third. Diamond Lover now moving up to take fourth, and in fifth comes Dr. Jaden. Lucky Lorky comes next. Panamera. Then down on the inside is Ninang Mill. Ilocos Magic racing second less, while Angel Dugo now racing in less. Inside the tres octavo, we have Majestic Queen by about 4 lengths, Ninvu. And in second is a Dr. Jaden. Diamond Lover now moving apart the outside. Then next on line is worth the wait. Panamera and Lucky Lorky. And then entering the home stretch, we have Majestic Queen. Moving up now on the outside is Diamond Lover. And now says it's my turn to take the lead. And as they swing for home, we have Diamond Lover followed by Majestic Queen. Dr. Jaden is down on the inside. Last 50 meters. It's all entry 3A. Diamond Lover. Majestic Queen worth the wait. Then comes Dr. Jaden. Panamera.
3A, Diamond Lover ang siyang unang tumawid ng linya. Segundo numero.